Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about loneliness, but also about making friends because a lot of people feel lonely and I have of course felt that too. It's horrible. You want to hang out with someone, but it's just you a whole weekend and no one wants to be with you. It's emotionally really painful and also it's not good for your health. It could lead to stress issues and different diseases. So it is something to take seriously. Social isolation, when you are lonely, when you don't want to be that, it's dangerous. But it is also possible to get out of the situation and get more friends and have people to do things with on the weekends, have people to hang out with, have close friends to talk to about serious issues or just have a good laugh. It is possible, and I'm going to give you some tips on how to make friends. I used to be super lonely, but I have so many friends now, and I think it's because I figured out how to do it. And I'm going to share those tips with you. First of all, I want to advise you to talk to someone. There are people who you can talk to and just open up about your pain, open up with feeling lonely. I can assure you they will feel, yeah, I've been there too. They will nod their heads and say, I know exactly what you're going through, but this too shall pass, and you will have friends, one or two, or a whole bunch of them. But we have been there too. I'm sure people around you will say that because we have all felt the feeling when we're not getting invited to parties, we have no one to spend Christmas with, or we have no one to go on holidays with. We have been there. So open up about what you are experiencing. Don't be embarrassed. Don't think it's something wrong with you. It's just now, temporarily in your situation at this moment, a problem for you, but a problem that can be solved. And I'm going to tell you how. One part of finding friends is to know your value. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. You are amazing, right? What do you have that you are proud of? What do people around you appreciate? I'm sure you have people who want to hang out with you. Why is that? Make sure you know what you bring to the table, what your value is, that you are valuable because you are. There will be people who want to be with you because you give them so much. Friendship is a lot about giving. Friendship is a lot about what you make other people feel. So, how do you make other people feel in a positive way? What are you giving them? What kind of presents? Just figure that out. What are your characteristics, parts of your personality that people will enjoy? Is it that you're funny or smart or adventurous or spontaneous or warm, open, generous, full of life, full of energy, or calm, charming, quirky? What do you have? What are you? But it is a difference between what you are and what you are to them. So figure out, first of all, what you are that you are proud of. And then you say, what am I to other people? Of all these things that I am, what does that mean for others? Because they don't really care about who you are. They care about themselves and what they can get out of you. That's just the reality. People are selfish, but figure out what they are looking for and see, do you have something within you that you can give them? I was told once to not ask for things. Instead, change the perspective to what you have to offer. You are not asking for people to hang out with you. You are offering them to hang out with you because you are so much. You have so much. You give so much. That is an important key for you to making friends, to know your value, to know who you are and what you give to others. A third way to get friends is, of course, to look for friends. I mean, closed mouth don't get fed. So you need to get out there and look for groups with people who have the same interest as you. There are heaps of them. Look on Facebook or whatever social media you're on. There will be people who share your interests and they will love to hang out with you if you are as nerdy as them when it comes to animals or art or opera or politics or whatever it is that is your passion. There will be people who have the same passion, and you guys, you will love to hang out. Just go friend hunting in the areas where you actually find people who are like you, who mirror you, who are the same, who you will like to hang out with, and who will like to hang out with you. And one way to find them is to look for groups with the same kind of interests. It could be wine, it could be drinking wine, it could be running or gymming or reading or whatever it is. You share the same interest and you will have so much in common. And when you approach those groups, be aware of that you need to be approachable. Have your eyes open, your body language open, and smile. Because if you smile, other people will smile as well. Because we love when people smile towards us, because it makes me feel like this is a safe place. I can feel safe here because this person is smiling towards me. Of course, this is a way to manipulate people as well, but use your smile to just say, I'm here. Come to me. Let's hang out. A fourth advice is to actually reach out to those friends and acquaintances that you already have and say, do you want to come over to mine? I can arrange something. Let's have a drink together or watch sports. Reach out and say, should we go to a spa? Should we go for a walk? Should we go to a gallery? Maybe go to a national park for a hike? Be courageous, because people are waiting for you to come there. You are wanted and they love new activities. So arrange something and invite. Because if you invite a lot of people, they might invite you back the next time they are doing something. And when you invite people, they will bring their friends and you become friends with their friends. And it's a fantastic circle of friendship that could evolve from you reaching out and just pressing that button, say, hey, I'm going to go to a talk about seahorses. Who want to come? And maybe no one will show up, but at least you tried and you can be proud of yourself for trying. Advice number 5 is one that I keep coming back to, and that is be curious and see people. Listen to people. Ask questions. Don't just ask a question and then move on to the next question. Ask a question and follow up. Listen to what they say and then ask them another thing about what they just said. This means you are really, really interested in them, and people love when you are interested in them. And most people hate when you just talk about yourself. This is a problem in dating. A lot of guys just talk about themselves, probably girls as well, but blah, 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 blah. Brag, brag, brag. I have all these things. I am all these things. Stop. Listen more than you talk, and people will adore you. So be like a journalist. I'm a journalist, so it comes easy for me because I am curious. But practice before going out, meeting a friend or a date. Write down some questions you can actually ask them. What are you doing on the weekend? Do you have any siblings? What did you study? Do you read a book at the moment? What book? What's your favorite flower? There are so many things that you want to know about this person because you are evaluating them as well. You want to be friends with them, maybe if they are good enough for you, because you are valuable, you are amazing, and you deserve a lot of friends. You deserve the friends that suits you, and you will find them. Loneliness is bloody hard. I absolutely hate feeling lonely, but I know that it's my responsibility, as it is yours, to change the situation. It will not come by chance, it will come by change. You are the one, I am the one who has to change. What is stopping you? I know through my life, I have been a little shy, and I am super hangry if I haven't eaten, and I might be too occupied with my work and not be making time for my friends. You need to change the way you are. So for me, it's I eat, I look around, I smile towards people, and I do write messages and make phone calls just because I force myself to do that, even if I'm super busy, because it is so rewarding, and everyone will love when you reach out. If you feel lonely now, I really feel with you. It's horrible, but it will change when you change, and you can change. And in 1 week, I can assure you, you will have a new friend and have great experiences and be so proud of yourself. It's not going to be easy, but you got this. And of course, welcome back to my channel for more life advice about how to become happy and successful and reach your dreams, because you deserve that. And if you have advice for other people on how to make friends, please write in the comments, and we help each other out and create a better world together.